Welcome to AGORACOM, small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, October the 11th. Happy Thanksgiving to all our Canadian friends and happy Columbus Day to all our U.S. friends. I wasn't around yesterday. We were off, but we're back on. I've got 3 press releases for you. Let's start you off first with Point Corporation. This is on the technology side of things. TSX Venture Exchange, PYN, announced that they've surpassed 10 million users worldwide. This is an app that runs on iPhone, Android, Windows, BlackBerry, you name. In fact, I personally have this app downloaded. I love it. It's a great app. The company says this represents 162% growth in unique users over the past year. Andrew Osis, President and CEO, had a quote. Here's an excerpt. 10 million users and growing is key to Point's expanding the number of advertisers and strengthening the app's mobile commerce offerings like daily deals and mobile couponing. As Point becomes available across more geographies, I found this interesting. We anticipate a significant acceleration in user numbers and associated revenues. I use the app, like I said. Anytime you get someone with over 10 million users on an app, especially something like this, that's really useful. It's a really good business tool. I like it. Something to keep an eye on. I want to see them start generating a lot of revenue out of it. I haven't seen that yet, but I am anticipating waiting for that. They closed on Friday at 9 cents. This morning, Point still sitting at 9 to 9.5 on the bid and ask, but we've just started trading. 52-week range, 3 cents on the low, 27 on the high, which they hit at the beginning of this year when some of the tech stocks were taken off. But I like Point Corporation potential for the long term. Selwyn Resources Venture Exchange, SWN, announced that they received environmental approval for their Zinc mine on October 7th, 2011. The Minister of Environment of Nova Scotia approved the project, so all the environmentals are out of the way, but they do have one additional hurdle. Harlan Mead, President and CEO of the company, said, "We're very pleased. Nova Scotia has accepted the proposed plan to restart," I like that, to restart the Zinc mine. "We look forward to receiving the industrial approval," that's the final hurdle I was telling you about, "that will allow site activities to begin. We continue its refurbishment activities in preparation for the restart of mining and milling operations." So looks like the company's working in anticipation. Closed on Friday, 15 cents. That's 1 penny above their 52-week low of 14 and far off their high of 39 cents. As of this morning, Selwyn is up half a penny on 50,000 shares. It's bidding 15.5 and asking 17. So given where it's traded this year, this may be a nice bump off a 52-week bottom. Do your diligence there. And finally, Deerhorn Metals trades on the venture under DHM. Announced that they hit 35.5 meters of 4.12 grams ton of gold, 94.5 grams ton of silver, and 115 parts per million of tellurium, which the company says recent advances in solar technology have greatly increased tellurium demand and generated new interest in the Deerhorn mineralization. They closed on Friday 15 cents. Today up half a penny also on 456,000 shares. So some nice volume there. 52-week range is 21 cents on the high, 10 cents on the low. So I figure this is something new and you might want to put on your radar, especially for you rare metals lovers out there. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap resource companies and you watch this on Global Investor, that look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show on a daily basis, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.